Hello, I'm Spenta. I live in USDA Zone 7. I love gardening. Today I'm sharing my Paperwhite Zivas with you. It is snowing outside. It's 7 degrees. It's very cold and it is getting cooler. As I mentioned, I'm Spenta and I live in USDA Zone 7. This year, near December, we had some warmer days, and as a result of those warmer days, I had some of my bulbs come out the ground early. And near New Year's, I had some beautiful blooms, and they were these Paperwhite Zivas. I do have hyacinth and other bulbs that are coming out of the ground too. It's just now the end of January. It's snowing. Again, I'm Spenta. I live in USDA Zone 7, and I love my Paperwhite Ziva blooms. They are so pretty, and they look beautiful in the snow. It is snowing right now. It's really cold outside. I have some tips for Paperwhite Zivas. They do love full sun. If you are wanting to plant them, I highly recommend that you plant them in autumn season and bi-weekly. Bi-weekly planting allows you to have ongoing flowers and ongoing blooms during the spring season. I usually expect my Paperwhite Ziva and other daffodils, hyacinth, flowers like that to come out the ground and start sprouting in spring, in the season of spring, near the month of March or somewhere in the middle of March, ongoing throughout May. It is now January, the end of January, and as I mentioned, as a result of having some warmer days in December this year, my Paperwhite Zivas have flowered early. They flowered at the beginning of New Year. I felt that they were my New Year gift, my New Year present. Again, I'm Spenta. I live in USDA Zone 7. Thank you for watching my share. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're wanting to plant Paperwhite Zivas, remember that they enjoy full sun and it's best to plant them in autumn season. They are perennial, so they return each year with beautiful blooms and multi-flowers on each stem. Thanks for watching my share. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Have a beautiful day and happy gardening.